Emotional difficulties can afflict anyone, including, it seems, our pets. Today's question for our pet vet on call: can dogs have bipolar disorder?
Well, dogs do exhibit all the emotions that we do, and depression is a very common one. Is it bipolar? I don't know if you can label it that, but they do get very, very depressed if they're deprived of exercise, if they're deprived of inclusion with their family. They get very sad and depressed if they are denied their favorite toy or playtime. They get very depressed and easily. Is it bipolar? I doubt it, because you don't need drugs for these situations. Something as simple as exercise, playtime, being included with the family, and love gets them over that so quickly, quicker than any drug, and it's a lot cheaper too.
And we invite questions from anyone. If you have one, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. Look at this. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this male domestic short-haired kitten named Casper, for obvious reasons. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Toast. She's a 1-year-old black-mouthed cur, kind of toast color. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? They always have so many great pets to choose from.